Today, I'm going to guide you through how to set up your Wix Payments account in a simple, clear, and relaxing way. First, open your Wix website and let the dashboard load. On the left side, scroll down and click Settings. Take a moment. Then look for the option called Accept Payments. This is where you choose how your customers will pay you. In my region, PayPal works best, so I select PayPal from the list of available payment methods. Once you see it, click Connect. A window will appear asking for your information. Go ahead and enter your details, your email, account information, and anything required to link your PayPal account securely. After filling everything out, click Connect. And just like that, your Wix Payments setup is complete, and your site is ready to accept payments. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.